Hey everyone, after launching the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Kids Edition in Indonesia at the end of the previous year, Samsung has now made the device available in the United States. Because of its specially constructed exterior that improves protection against external harm, the Kids Edition is better suited for younger users. Prices for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant of the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Kids Edition start at $270. In contrast, the identical setup on the regular Galaxy Tab A9 Plus costs $179. The substantial appearance and kid-focused features of the Kids Edition are amplified by the price difference. With its many kid-friendly features and parental control choices, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Kids Edition is a compelling alternative for parents who want to give their kids a fun and safe digital experience. The tablet seeks to provide a rich multimedia experience while withstanding the rigors of regular usage by children, thanks to its sturdy structure and protective features. After launching the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Kids Edition in Indonesia at the end of the previous year, Samsung has now made the device available in the United States. Three eye-catching colors are available for the Kids Edition's customizable exterior: blue, red, and yellow. Its sturdy construction attempts to better shield the gadget from outside harm, which makes it more appropriate for younger users. The Snapdragon 695 chipset powers the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Kids Edition from underneath. Although this chipset can support 5G connectivity, the Kids Edition only uses Wi-Fi, whereas the ordinary Galaxy Tab A9 Plus can handle 5G. The tablet has an 11-inch TFT LCD display that has a 1920 by 1200 resolution, making the images crisp and vivid. It has a 5 megapixels front camera and an 8 megapixels rear camera for taking pictures and making video calls. With dimensions of 168.7 by 257.1 by 6.9 mm and a weight of 480 grams, it is lightweight and easy for kids to manage. Along with having the same 7040 mAh battery as the ordinary model, it can charge at a 15-watt rate. The Samsung Kids app, which offers a plethora of parental controls, is preloaded onto the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Kids Edition, along with a modified user interface. The Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Kids Edition is developed to provide children a space to use technology safely, while also providing them with the room to learn, grow, create, stream, and explore, says Drew Blackard, Vice President of Mobile Product Management. To ensure a safer digital environment for kids, parents may set up profiles for their kids, customize settings, impose time limits on screen time, block access to particular apps, and keep an eye on their online activity. The Kids Edition costs $270 for 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, which is $91 more than the regular Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, which retails for $179 and has the same specs. The Kids Edition's extra value of improved protection and kid-friendly features is reflected in the price difference. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.